I'm Puja Sharma from IBS Intelligence. With me is Rishi Sarin, BPC Banking Technology, and Jimmy. Rishi, of course, is
Yeah,
pre-sales head, and Mr. Jimmy is sales head India. I'll start with you, Rishi. Could you just talk a little bit about BPC Banking Technology?
BPC, I mean, it stands for Banking, Payments and Commerce. So anything to do with digital payments. So that's something that we offer to the market. Now we are a global player headquartered in Switzerland. In Asia Pacific, we are present in almost 9 or 10 countries. Uh, we are currently servicing clients across the globe in 140 plus countries, 500 plus banks, quite a few tier one institutions. So in terms of the solution portfolio that we bring into the market, so anything to do with the digital payments, be it on the acquiring side or on the issuing side, enterprise-wide fraud management platform, the integration platform. So anything from the right from when the transaction or a payment is initiated, right up to the clearing and settlement for that transaction. So everything happening seamlessly. That's through our platform. And yeah, something that we have achieved in the past is very high scalability. So in India context, when we speak about UPI, which is crossing close to 11 billion payments in a month right now, so that is the level of scalability what India is looking in future. It's all going to grow, and through our platform, we enable seamless payments. That's all about it.
It's a question for the both of you. Why GFF? What do you think a platform like GFF means to you guys? And
So, for very obvious reasons, Global FinTech Festival, right? So, undoubtedly, it is the largest FinTech festival in Asia, and I believe it is among the largest globally, right? Now, BPC, as Rishi mentioned, is, a global payment service provider, and we've been around for the last 29 years. In India, we also have been present with a couple of financial institutions not very long ago. So, the Global FinTech Festival is actually a very ideal platform to, give us more mileage, give us more visibility, interact with, banking and senior officials who visit the event. Also, a chance to, meet up with FinTech partners, new age players who have complementary products and services to what we have to offer. So, likes of system integrators, consultants, etc., who will be visiting the event. Not only delegates from India, but delegates from a lot of geographies in South Asia as well as the Asia Pacific region, participate in this event, and it's on a very mega scale. So we thought and we believe that this is a very ideal platform to, leverage our capabilities and try and expand our reach in the Indian market, which is, anyway so vast.
let's talk a little bit about India. Are you looking to collaborate with relevant fintech?
Couple of approaches, obviously, for India. One is, obviously the direct approach where we, speak with banks directly and try and address whatever requirement they come up with for any kind of payment and transaction processing related solutions. But equally important, or I would say more important, is collaboration and partnerships with system integrators, with fintech partners, with consultants to try and work with them to take some of our solutions, complementing their solution and consultancy offerings to large, mid, as well as small scale financial institutions. So, in short, it's a dual strategy. It's a mixed strategy of a direct approach with banks and NBFCs, as well as an indirect approach through partnerships and collaboration.
Rishi, last but not the least, how
Yeah.
do you plan to leverage AI?
What BPC has in terms of the AI. So I know there is a lot of buzz which is going around and everyone is working something or the other on AI platform. Now what we've done is we have created our in-house developed AI, and this engine is used across our different solution offerings. So be it on the payment side or be it on the fraud. Now some of the use cases which we typically see are fraud. So as the payments volumes are increasing in different markets and geographies, so is the fraud. We think that our systems are quite intelligent, so is the fraudsters. So they are coming up with quite innovative ways how to hack into your account with some deepfake identities and all. What we are doing with our enterprise-wide fraud management, leveraging AI, there are three things that we are doing. So one is on the smart models or the machine learning or AI-driven models, which can track your profile and how you're processing or doing the transactions and then catch them upfront. So it's more on the fraud prevention side. The second is on the AI assisted workflows. Now, typically in India context, you have close to 11 billion UPI transactions, which I am talking about now. Even if you consider 0.001% of transactions which are flagged as fraud, so that will also run in 2000. So somebody has to look and perform those transactions manually. So just consider the amount of manpower it's going to take. So with our AI assistant, that's what we are trying to do, is to automate the case management behind it. Anything that is flagged as a fraud, we are trying to leverage the AI capabilities to bring in more automation. So it's all about the automation, the intelligence, and the collective nature of the entire fraud management that we bring to the market. And apart from that, we are also leveraging AI in a lot of other things, such as in our own development of the software itself. So how we leverage AI to develop the software is one thing. The second is how do we support our customers, and how do we enable our customers to support their customers leveraging the AI assisted chatbots and all that.